Hello, my name is Marcus Walther. I'm here to share with you today how I prepare the Master Cleanse. If you're not familiar with the Master Cleanse, it's called the Master Cleanser. It was originally introduced by Stanley Burroughs, and it's a lemonade, cayenne maple syrup fast that can be done for anywhere from a few days, 4 days, to 10 days, to as many days as needed to correct the body's imbalance. I will have a separate video talking about the benefits of the Master Cleanse, and this will be more just about preparation. So first of all, then, remembering that I'm not a doctor and this is not medical advice. This is merely something I do to help keep my body in shape and to cleanse and purify my body. So today we are preparing the dose, and what I like to do is I always like to make it in a gallon. That way I have enough for the day, and if I have leftover, then I use some of it the next day. Of course, it does need to be refrigerated. But that gives me 4 quarts, and I can use each quart as a meal. So I have the 3 meals, 3 quarts, and then 1 quart as an extra quart in case I feel like I want it. And that's how I like to make it. So to share with you then, we got organic lemons, and I find that sort of these medium-sized lemons are a good size, and I have 8 of them for the gallon. And so then I like to use a electric citrus juicer. I just find it easier, but you can certainly use one of those hand ones if that's what you have and prefer. And so then there's just the process of getting the lemons into a liquid form. So now that we've got most of the lemons juiced, go over here. So of course you want to have a funnel to use it in your gallon container, and we'll get the lemon juice in there. Then I add in the cayenne pepper. I want to get a good strong cayenne pepper that has heat to it, but you're using 1 teaspoon of cayenne to the gallon, and you can also do that to taste. You might find that it feels too cayenne-y, too hot. You may find you want more. And then the biggest thing with this mixture is that the cayenne tends to settle. And so whenever you're drinking your glass or the gallon jug, before you pour from it, you want to shake it up to move the cayenne around again. Otherwise it stays stuck on the bottom. So be aware of that. That can be a fun mouthful when when you get to the bottom. So I'm going to measure out a teaspoon here. And I'm not going to be, very accurate with it. Just kind of getting it in there. And then we have 8 tablespoons of maple syrup. So, and I'm using a Trader Joe's grade A dark maple syrup. And it's always good to use maple syrup that has the least processing in it so that you get the most minerals. And that's the whole point of this cleansing fast, is that the lemons, even the cayenne and the maple syrup have a certain amount of vitamins and minerals in them that the body needs, and so that even though you're not having a food intake during the fast, you're getting a lot of vitamins and minerals and calories really from this drink. And it allows the body to reset and cleanse the various organs that help with digestion. So I'm just going to do 8 tablespoons. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maple syrup. And then fill it up with some additional water. That gives me my meal for the day. So, then I give it a good shake. All the ingredients mixed up. And then I can pour myself a glass. And I'll drink a quart for lunch. I already had breakfast earlier. So I hope that's helpful to you, and let me know your thoughts. Enjoy your day and be well.